Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by readying the console and camera. Make sure the battery is above 20% and screens are clean. Once done, press home and open the camera app on the top screen so you can aim immediately. Position the 3DS about 10-20 cm from the QR code and remove glare by angling the device slightly. Keep a steady grip. Small shakes blur codes. You want clear contrast. White background and dark code works best. So now you frame the QR code in the camera app's guide square and hold steady. The 3DS will try to autofocus automatically, but you can tap the top screen to help focus if needed. Once the code fills the guide, press it to capture or choose the QR code reading mode in the menu. The device decodes the pattern. This can take a second, so be patient. If the scan fails, slightly adjust distance or lighting and try again. Subtle shifts often fix it. After a successful read, follow the on-screen prompt to save the data or open the linked content. Press it to confirm and proceed. If nothing happens, make sure the camera app has permission in settings, then try again. For a stubborn QR code, clean the lens, boost ambient lighting, and reframe at 10-30 cm. If problems persist, restart the 3DS and retry. A quick system update sometimes resolves camera decoding issues. One troubleshooting tip: reduce screen glare with your hand as a hood.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.